Hello guys, welcome back to my new channel. This is Faisal here. In this video, I'm going to show you my trade which I have taken on 19th of Feb. So I'll also show you my analysis behind. So let's get started guys, okay? So this is the Magnifty chart as you people can see over here. So on 19th of Feb, that is somewhere over here, I guess, at 2 o'clock or at the time of the closing of the market. So I just took my entry over this candle. As you can see, I'll just zoom it guys, okay? I just took my entry after the close of this candle exactly over here, I guess. So I just took the entry because you people can see here it was acting as a strong support level. So it has come from almost 37 to 35 600. It has almost corrected a good. So I just thought, and my analysis was it will go up from here. So I just took my quantity like 150, I guess, uh, over here exactly. So the next day it was again negative. So I just added still more quantities over here. Uh, that is 250 quantities in total, overall 250 quantities. So I just added some more quantities over exactly over here, and it was going up. Unfortunately, again something happened, so it went down. So again, as you people know, Yesterday there was like on 24th of Feb there was a NSE glitch, so markets halted after 10 something, 10 o'clock something. So again it restarted at 10 sorry 3:45 again. So from here markets was jumping. So on 24th I would have booked my profits, which were decent around 39,000. I was getting 39,000 profits. My investment was almost 1 lakh 10,000. So I waited because there was a analysis, right? So past experiences, knowledge uh, will know where exactly the market will go. So I just waited according to my analysis to be good. So here exactly the market ended. So next day, that is today, the market opened this candle. I just exited my trade at this particular candle, that it was like forming in the morning around 9:16. I exited my trade, I guess. I'll show you in my trade book as well. So here exactly I booked my profits and exited the trade and then for the day. So if I had holded it for some more time, it would have been 1.5 lakhs over exactly over here. But unfortunately, I booked my profits and I'm happy. It is almost more than uh, 90% or 80% above, I guess, profits I booked. So again, from there, the markets came down. So I'll just show you my positions where exactly I took the trade. So this is the profits, that is 95,466. So I'll just refresh it, guys. So you can see these are my profits and the date, as you can see, that is 25th. I'm recording this video around 10:16. So I'll just show you my order book so you people can see. I just exited the trade, it is 250 quantities, the time of 9:17 I exited. So again I took some more quantities. I exited around 9:50, and this thing also I just took it and exited. This I got like almost 700 plus profits, and this is the thing which I took at 3:59. So I'm just holding it for the next thing. So this is the thing which the profits are. So this was the analysis behind that. So you people can see. Uh, if you have any doubts, you can just comment in the comment section. So these are my starting videos. So mistakes might happen. Just do ignore it, and if some mistakes are there, just do let me know in the comment section. So I'll just improve it, guys. Okay. So this is how I trade based on price action, as you people also know. So please let me know in the comment section if you have any kind of doubt. I'll just reply to every comment. So please make sure to subscribe, like, and press the bell icon, because it needs time, like small efforts to make this kind of videos, edit it, and put it. Okay, guys, this is only for you guys. So please make sure to subscribe and like, guys, so that I can bring more videos, educational videos, uh, for you. Okay. So and also follow my Instagram account, that is link is given in the bio. Thank you, guys. See you soon. Okay. Please make sure to subscribe again. Okay. Bye. That.